In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product collection on Shopify. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on your main dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see an overview of your store, your orders, and recent activity. From here, we're going to move into the section where all your products and collections live. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, click on Products. This opens up a page showing all the products in your store. At the top of this page, you'll see a tab or option called Collections. Go ahead and click on Collections. This is where you can group similar products together. For example, summer sale, new arrivals, or best sellers. Now, look for the button that says Add Collection and click on it. This will open a brand new collection page where you can set everything up. At the top, you'll see an empty title field. Click into that and type the name of your new collection. Just below it, there's a larger field for a description. Use this to briefly explain what this collection is about. This can help both customers and search engines understand it better. Next, find the section called Collection Type. Make sure this is set to manual. A manual collection gives you full control over which products appear in it, so you choose exactly what goes in rather than relying on automatic conditions. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see the search engine listing section. Here you can customize the title and description that will appear in search engines like Google. Try to use clear, descriptive wording and include important keywords related to the products in this collection. Once that's done, scroll back up slightly and look to the right-hand side near the top for the image section. Click on Add Image. A window will open showing images from your library or allowing you to upload a new one. Click on the image you'd like to use as the main visual for this collection, then click Done to confirm your choice. Below the collection type area, locate the products section and click on Browse. A list of all your existing products will appear. Click on each product you want to include in this collection so they are selected, then click Add. Finally, once everything looks good, go to the top or bottom of the page and click Save. Your new Shopify product collection is now created and ready to use in your store.